Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to break down a fundamental topic in chemical engineering called transport phenomena. It might sound complex, but at its heart, it's simply the study of how things move from one place to another. In chemical engineering, we are interested in the movement of three specific things: momentum, energy, and mass. Let's look at each one. First, we have momentum transport. This is basically fluid dynamics. Think about stirring a cup of coffee. When you move the spoon, you transfer momentum from the spoon to the liquid, causing the coffee to swirl. Chemical engineers use this to understand how fluids flow through pipes, how to design pumps, and how to mix reactants in a giant tank. The key property here is viscosity, which is a fluid's resistance to flow. The thicker the fluid, the harder it is to transfer momentum. Second is energy transport, which we usually call heat transfer. This is about how heat moves around. You already know the three ways this happens: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction is heat moving through a solid, like the handle of a hot pan getting warm. Convection is heat moving with a fluid, like boiling water circulating in a pot. Radiation is heat moving through electromagnetic waves, like the warmth you feel from the sun. Engineers need to master this to design things like heat exchangers, which are vital for controlling the temperature of chemical reactions. Third, we have mass transport. This is the movement of chemical molecules from one area to another. Imagine dropping a sugar cube into water. The sugar molecules spread out, or diffuse, from an area of high concentration, the cube, to an area of low concentration, the surrounding water. This is crucial for processes like distillation, where we separate different liquids, or absorption, where we remove a substance from a gas. The amazing part is that all three of these transport phenomena are described by very similar mathematical equations. They all have a flux, which is the rate of transfer, and a driving force, which is the gradient that causes the movement, like a difference in velocity, temperature, or concentration. Understanding these principles allows chemical engineers to design, build, and operate the equipment that makes all the products we use every day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you a clearer picture of what transport phenomena is all about. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more chemical engineering content. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.